large number of signals needed to control processes in a plant requires a considerable amount of wiring and space for terminal boxes and cable trays. Space can be saved with remote I/O solutions from Pepperl+Fuchs. Already installed analog sensors and actuators can continue to be used, and the wiring remains intact. This protects the investment in the installed base. Remote I/O systems integrate field devices with analog interfaces into the digital communication of the process control system. In addition to transmitting process data to the control system, diagnostic and configuration data is also sent to other systems, such as asset management. If the system reports an error on a field device, it can be passed directly to a colleague in the field via a work order. On a mobile device, the operator sees which device in the plant is affected, receives all the necessary data, and can exchange it quickly. The data can be translated and transferred into another data format and processed and redistributed as required. For example, for process optimization or quality assurance applications. This gives plant operators and maintenance technicians new insights into the status of processes and field devices. By maintaining clear control of the entire plant, downtime can be avoided. With a remote I/O system from Pepperl+Fuchs, you can protect your investment in installed instrumentation. With full digital access to all data, you ensure your plant is prepared for the future.